Hey legends, welcome back. For any of you that sort of watch any of my videos or see my journey, you'll understand sort of what I do. If you don't know, basically all I do is race cars, build cars, tune cars, build other people's cars, tune other people's cars, and I sort of do all of this on the side or as a passion, and I've been doing it all from home. So in this video, I've got some great news for anyone that follows me. Hopefully you'll appreciate this, but I've finally acquired my first lease factory. Now, I've got a whole bunch of time lapses coming on after this and a nice transformation. It's over a 4-week span. I got the factory 4 weeks ago. Got the keys, really in terrible condition. I've been able to strip it all down, reshape it all, get it basically brand new and get it ready for all the new equipment. I've got some really cool things coming and I'm super excited about it. But there's going to be a couple of hoists, there's going to be fabrication, there's going to be a lot of cars coming through. It's going to be really entertaining. So hopefully you like and follow the journey because it's going to be good. Follow me in. Let's take Okay, so this is Gypsy. She thinks she's Karate Kid. Oh, Karate Kid. Oh, nice. Watch the nails. Yes, and is there one more? Oh, this is a danger zone right here. And Gypsy loves this stuff. Oh, nice work. Oh. What happened? Oh, funny. Swinging it. Come on, let's do some swings. Watch out, Gypsy. You're crazy, man. I don't know if it's disturbing or not, how like into it she is. Oh, she's running out of steam. Fuck. Where's all the hammer at? Nice work, Bob. Okay, I'll grab it. I'm telling you what, I'm telling you. Just have a little break. Have a little break. You're scared me. Okay, so welcome back. This is the next day. As you can see, we've done a little bit of progress. If I haven't explained it already, it came with a bunch of offices. You can see there, I'm going to keep the two front offices, top and bottom, but I do want to take out all of these offices here. I'm sort of changing my mind halfway through. Might keep some of this heavy duty framing up, but I'm pretty much just trying to get myself as much floor space as possible. We've got 205 square meters here, so I want to be able to use most of it. Starting to get there. Me and Gypsy Queen helping me out. Should be pretty good. So I'm thinking I am going to maybe keep the stairs there. I'm going to shorten this mezzanine up to maybe about that far and all the way across, get rid of this pole, move it further down, get rid of this. We're going to strip all these out today and bring the office up to about potentially here. I might put this window in this wall that I'm going to put across here. Going to take down all this sheeting, get rid of this office. So we'll go for a little waltz up top. This is the mezzanine here that I'm going to pretty much shorten. And then in here is like a little conference room or something. Pretty nasty. But it does have a whiteboard, which I do like. So we're going to take all of this out. So good luck.
Let's go. Hey, yo, I persevered and learned a lot. Trials and tribulations, daily loading clips and taking shots. Most these niggas try to play me. It's kinda hectic on the daily, baby. People shady. It's like depression, my confessions. Fuck it, baby, pay me. A couple friends of mine that got these deals and acting phony. But that's the cross across the beer, no doubt I peep it, homie. Sometimes I'm feeling divine, sometimes I'm losing my mind. I freak the beat, the beat, the beat, the feet, the beat, the grind. In tabernacles, I battle rappers and shatter shackles. Have to packing the crackle, it's like an Adam's apple. I never claim to be perfect, I got a lot of issues. What's the verdict? Devin got murdered. Swear to God I miss you. Slinging tracks, pay them back, kick it back. I wish I could bring them back. Wish I could get us out the hood for good. Sometimes I'm feeling divine, sometimes I'm losing my mind. I freak the beat, the beat, the beat, the feet, the beat, the grind. I keep it rocking, never stopping to the beat, y'all. And we gon' take it to the top, so my beat, y'all. I keep it rocking, never stopping to the beat, y'all. To the beat, y'all. To the beat, y'all. I keep it rocking, never stopping to the beat, y'all. And we gon' take it to the top, so my beat, y'all. Yo, I ride to be so effortless, pessimist like an exorcist. Next to this, the best of this, left of this, it's been ever since. Plain and simple, train the mental, play the keys and hear my sound. Intonation, connotation, pencil in my ups and downs. Feel my words, read my lips, lusterize, build eclipse. Passion mixed with poetry, potently poking me my shit. Sometimes I'm feeling divine, sometimes I'm losing my mind. I freak the beat, the beat, the beat, the feet, the beat, the grind. It's so my life's like, every note's like right, steady quotes, cross the keys, knowing me and see me sees. And they injecting me, touching the keys, affecting me. It's something like telepathy, fuck it, but they neglected me. I feel the keys and then my fingers make them sing a song. Simultaneous, the pain in us to make them sing along. Sometimes I'm feeling divine, sometimes I'm losing my mind. I freak the beat, the beat, the beat, the feet, the funk, the grind. I keep it rocking, never stopping to the beat, y'all. And we gon' take it to the top, so my peeps, y'all. I keep it rocking, never stopping to the beat, y'all. To the beat, y'all. To the beat, y'all. I keep it rocking, never stopping to the beat, y'all. And we gon' take it to the top, so my peeps, y'all. I keep it rocking, never stopping to the beat, y'all. To the beat, y'all. Yo, I step between and check the sky. Little drizzle raining daily, spread my wings and let me fly. Spit a riddle, stain it maybe. The grind for wealth is crazy, slightly unattainable. At times I doubt myself and I'm wondering if I'm capable. Too many stresses, little blessings, aggravations. Half the nation poverty, but God can see everything like Monopoly. Sometimes I'm feeling divine, sometimes I'm losing my mind. I freak the beat, the beat, the beat, the feet, the beat, the grind. It's like a carrot, it's low, they gon' explode for real. I'm about to do a cable for paper, this how the fuck I feel. Fuck a deal, fuck a stage, fuck a mic. Fuck it all on everything, anything, everything I write. Just say goodnight to me and fade to black. Tight despite I made a track, keep it going non-stop, bring it back. Sometimes I'm feeling divine, sometimes I'm losing my mind. Freak the beat, the beat, the beat, the beat, the beat, the grind.